play is based on a Scottish play that was done by Bili'n, and it's a translation of Decade as a Bronco. So the Welsh title is Bili'n, Bwrw'r Bronco. And it tells the story of a group of friends who basically spend all their summers up on the swings in the park, messing around, being boys basically, and something happens to one of them that changes the course of their childhood forever really, and how they're forced to grow up almost overnight really. So even though it's got lots of physical humour in it and things, which is brilliant, there is a lovely deep poignancy to it which cannot but move you, I think. It's a memory play almost, and they're looking back as 30-year-olds, looking back at that time, at that event that happened that summer in 1983. And so there are some of the actors will be playing 9-year-olds and stay 9-year-olds, 9 and 10-year-olds, and then the others they are dressed as 30-year-olds, as adults, looking back at that time and playing 9-year-olds.
I play Aled in Bili'n, Bwrw'r Bronco, and he is 11. So he's slightly older than the other boys, which immediately gives him a little bit of status, or I guess he thinks he's got some status over them because they're a little bit younger than him anyway. Although he does look up to Bianchi because he's the sort of cool kid in it. But also there is an older version of Aled, so you see Aled later on, and that's the real character that I play in it. So I play the older version, but I also get to play 11 as well, which is a lot of fun, as you can imagine.
I play a character called Jason, the younger version. Jason's about 9 years old. Him and Billy are best friends, although all they seem to do is fight and argue. They're always chasing each other, they're always beating each other up, but they remain the best of friends throughout. A Bronco is when you stand on the swing and you push it further and further and higher, and with one foot you kick it and you pull the chains down so that the swing goes over the bar and wraps over, so that's a Bronco.
We've been doing Broncos from standing still, and one of the boys can now do it actually just standing and kicking it and flipping it over. But yeah, I can't do that, that's advanced Broncoing.
It's an outdoor piece, so basically it's all set in a park. I think what's brilliant about the organisation of this is that we actually have venues. If it does rain, then there's theatres on hand that basically we just take the system down and put it into a theatre space. So, everyone's a winner on this one.